I'm Allie and welcome to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a gingery miso fried rice. Fried rice is one of those easy weeknight meals where you can kind of use your leftovers, any veggies you have. The hard part is getting the flavor, and we've taken care of that with our gingery miso sauce. This is a one-pan meal that comes together in under 15 minutes, and you can load it up with as many veggies as you like. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, be sure to subscribe to see all of our new videos. All right, let's get started. This is a one-pan dish, so all we're using is our large sauté pan. So for ingredients, we're really going to be focused on the rice. I like to use leftover rice to make fried rice. A lot of the moisture has left it overnight in the fridge, so it absorbs all the flavors a little bit more easily than if you made a pot of rice and just put it in to fry. The other thing is, it's great to have leftovers and something that comes together so quickly. So when you make rice, just make double and save half for the next night and make fried rice. We're also going to be using little baby shiitake mushrooms. You can really use any mushroom you want. Scallions, which are going to crisp up a little bit. We're going to use bok choy for this recipe, which is a really fun vegetable that sometimes gets a little underlooked. Some toasted sesames, and of course, star of the show is our gingery miso sauce. It's got all sorts of yummy ingredients in it. It's got sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, miso, ginger, a bunch of different yummy flavors. We're gonna basically start off by getting all of our veggies prepared so that it goes really quickly once we start cooking. So I've sliced up my mushrooms, I've sliced my scallions, I've got my leftover rice ready to go. I wanna talk a little bit about bok choy. So the tips of the bok choy leaves are pretty fibrous, so unless you're steaming them, you're really not gonna use them. So leave on about half of the leaf of the bok choy, and this we're not going to use. And then basically what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of pick each of these leaves off, give them a good rinse. So our bok choy is cleaned, I've rinsed it, I've dried it. We do want our vegetables not to be too wet when we cook them because they'll steam and we want them to get a little crispy. All we're doing is just cutting down the middle, cutting off the little edges a little bit, and then slicing across to make sort of half bite-sized pieces. There you have it, our super beautiful one-pan, under 15-minute gingery miso fried rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and cook happy.